So you want your group to experience BattleBot Workshop, but you don't have the space at your facility? Well, have we got a solution for you? Parks! We've partnered up with local parks and recreation centers to provide the BattleBot Workshop experience for your group to enjoy. Space limitations are a thing of the past. Reserve the date for your BattleBot Workshop today. Refer to our directory and make plans to transport your groups to one of our designated park locations. Let the giant robot battles begin. Don't see your favorite park in our directory? Call or email us with the location so we can qualify the space. We make it easy. Prepare your groups for a super cool experience that's out of this world. BattleBot Workshop, bringing giant build and battle robotics to your facility or a park near you.